Let's begin our meditation by taking a comfortable posture on a cushion or sitting on the floor. Let's take 3 deep breaths, releasing all the effort. With each out breath, releasing all tension, scanning our bodies from top to bottom, releasing tensions, efforts, physical pain, keeping our spine straight and relaxing all muscles around it. The important thing is to be relaxed, still, and vigilant, without distraction. Let the breath be natural, feeling your body, breathing out naturally through your nose. Keep a straight posture so that the breath does its natural cycle without obstructions. By having our spine straight, the prana, the vital energy, flows naturally and allows us to focus and enter into a contemplative state. Your eyes can be closed or slightly open. The important thing is that your eyes are relaxed and not focusing with effort, with a vacant gaze in front of you. You can just close your eyes if that's more comfortable. And remember the main points of the meditation posture. Relax the muscles of your face, your eyelids. Leave the tip of the tongue behind the upper teeth. Relax your neck and shoulders, leaving space between your arms and your torso. The hands resting on your knees or thighs, or you can put one hand on top of another with the thumbs touching in the dhyana mudra of concentration, resting gently on your lap with the palms down or facing up, resting on our legs. We can also adopt a lion posture with full lotus, crossed legs. Now open all your senses, become aware of sounds, sensations, forms, any perception that arises in our sensory fields. Not only the physical senses, but also our mental perceptions. We become aware of our emotions. We notice if our mind is agitated with a lot of thoughts or if it's sleepy, dull. We notice the present perceptions that are arising right now without getting distracted by them or making up a story about them. If we notice we're distracted, just release them and notice they're manifesting in the field of mental perception. Notice any physical or mental perception for a few more minutes. Continue relaxing deeper and deeper with each out breath. Focus on the sensations arising in your body connected to the breath. Notice the tactile sensations of the breath throughout your body, or focus on the area of the abdomen to develop more stability, focus, and concentration. Keep releasing with each out breath. Let thoughts arise and pass without following them or trying to stop them. Just keep attending to those tactile sensations of the breath in your body. If you wish, you can also count breaths. It can help when the mind is too distracted. You can count from 1 to 10 and start over again. If you perceive some dullness or sleepiness, take a deep in-breath and refocus your attention. Notice even the subtlest sensations, how they arise and pass. Watching without distraction and without grasping. We are cultivating stability and balance. Settling our body, speech and mind in their natural state. Keep doing this for a few more minutes. Let's finish this practice by dedicating the merit so that we can continue cultivating relaxation and clarity. So we can direct our minds towards well-being and genuine happiness. Not only for our own benefit, but for the benefit of those beings that surround us too. And giving this intention our energy and direction, we finish our meditation. Relax and stretch a little bit.